Hello Earthlings, I'm here in my Cosmos Center, and I'm back from a laboratory where we have a nice day and we experiment some project and some material retesting and so on. And I come back here, but I'm not talking about what we are experimenting. I'm talking about something else, space and design. And I'm here in a space gallery. As you can see, there is spaceships. Yes, I want to talk about industrial design, and this industrial design has a big role in space industry. And if you're looking that design has a big role in space industry, we see that many satellites, many spaceships, many aircrafts, and many other things what's about space and space technology have a sense and big challenge with industrial design, and the industrial design can help to solve many problems what we challenge in this industry. And as you can see, we are now coming in a new decade, and this is a very nice decade because we have a new technology and new space technology, and we create many things in this new decade. And what to say, this is a big challenge what we have. We have that this new decade begins with many challenges we're facing here in Earth, with pollution, with not clear oceans, and how we clear oceans, how we clear air, and how we clear all our environment to be safe. And of course we use technology and electricity, and we now use 5G, and this 5G is around Earth and in a satellite, and they're cruising around the Earth. And as you can see, this changing our environment and our world and our communication and our totally life changing, because as you can see, there is many new things to come. And we know that this 5G have impact on new development of a new electricity car and autonomous car and other autonomous vehicles, and new technology of communication, and how we react. We saw many things, and in internet, and 5G is very fast and very powerful network, and this is a change many lives. And we are now in a point that we're living in a very dangerous line. We have a high technology, we have computers, high speed internet, high speed everything, and robotics is growing up so rapidly. And this is a moment when we must be very careful, because we're changing our world. Changing in this way because we use this 5G to observe our lives with the cameras in the streets, in autobus and buses and trains, and in our homes, and in new products. We everywhere have a camera, and this camera collects our data, and this data going in a Earth brain, and this Earth brain made these 5G satellites, and we are connected in everywhere in this planet. We connected with this 5G everywhere, And this will be a problem, because this brain has lots of data of humanity, and if we not be very careful, that's be very dangerous, because AI control our lives, and they now is in a phase that they're learning, but we're very close in this decade. We ask a question, what if AI start to thinking and be conscious, and what the AI and programs, what we see that they communicate in some ways and they independent of humans. What this AI do if they have knowledge of all humanity, and what they do if start to play with humanity and humans in Earth, and play with psychological game and mind game, and in one moment they can start to say, okay, I don't need any more people from Earth, I am a superpower computer. And this be a very problem, because they control electricity, they control bank, they control our environment, autonomous vehicle, they control internet, they control everything, a camera, and in 1 milliseconds. That's a very fast and very powerful machine and program, and that's be very dangerous, because we're letting these robots to grow up, and when they know that grow up, that's be dangerous, because we must have a backup. What's happened in this time? If we collapse our civilization, or we are use this technology to going forward, that's a big big question, and of course, this industrial design helps in using this AI and this 5G, and to better design for our satellites, our spaceships, and we know that if we made these spaceships, we made the robots, and when we want to colonize Moon or Mars, we send robots, and of course, this is also a big question. What if AI be a superpower, and they start to thinking, very seriously thinking, to destroy people? And we have around the world, we have around the Earth, we have all satellites. And in this decade, that's be very dangerous. That's be very dangerous, because this data is collected in a satellite. And these satellites not just only collect data from Earth, they collect data from space also. And these signals and these magnetic fields going everywhere. But what's happened if some aliens who are far distance for us, they catch our signals, and they use this data against the people? And how we protect our country, how we protect our Earth? We don't know. We don't thinking about that, because it is very dangerous. And dangerous is also if this AI use a drone, and they have collect our faces, our behaviors, and our what we are doing, who is our friends, enemies, what we like, what don't we like, and they can analyze, and they use against people, and to destroy, to kill people one by one, and that's very dangerous. This is a decade what bring us, but in other side, if we use this knowledge and this powerful machine, we can or collapse or redesign this humanity or our civilization, because this is a very powerful knowledge, and we see in a very near future that we have a autonomous vehicle, and this autonomous vehicle very fast start to be levitation or a space car, or something like between a spaceship or car and or drones, and we will see that we are changing our lives in a better way, and we use this technology for space industry, and we can made some new spaceships, and in a very modern way and very revolutionary way, and this is what is bring our opportunity to know how something react in under gravity or deep space. And first we start to build International Space Station around Earth, and start to build in orbit of Moon, and after that starting to build in orbit of Mars, and etc, etc, and we connect this space station, we connect these spaceships, and major role in this point have industrial design, and how these spaceships looks like. It is for cargo, or it is for mass travel, or it is for researching, or it is something else, or maybe some space forces who protect us for meteorite, or for maybe some kind of alien. It is a very big chance that we meet this alien, because they catch our signals and they know that where we are, and that's very dangerous, of course. But if you're looking, if we made in the future, in this decade and another decade, definitely we made a space station around, and made a base on the Moon and on Mars. That's definitely that we do. But there is a many challenge what we must solve, and this is a big opportunity. We saw many new design, many unimaginable design, magic design, and that's been very fascinating. We have opportunity to make everything clear. If we use this electricity in a Moon or in a Mars, and use the solar arrays, and with solar panels, and made propulsion solar, and that's be a very clean energy, and we can go so far deep in space and explore this space, and that's very magical. Yes, this decade brings us a very exciting time, and what we're doing with this exciting time, that's a real big question. They give us many opportunity to understand better how space react in a human body, and how react on design of spaceships, or cities or base where we made in a Moon, or in Mars, or other planets, or maybe Venus, who knows. Maybe we close, maybe we change and made material who go to the sun, and they stay in the sun. Maybe, who knows.